Supreme Court dahil usap-usapan na si Kiko Pangilinan ang hahalili bilang impeachment manager dahil hindi raw lawyer si Tito Sotto at again, the impeachment is a quasi-judicial at quasi-political na affair. Sui generis, kumbaga. Alas, with a slim majority ng Senado of 13 for Cayetano, 9 for Sotto, at 2 abstentions, nabuo na ang panibagong liderato sa Senado with Alan Peter Cayetano as Senate President. Pero Tito Sotto will not go down without a fight. Mayroon pa nga kasing instance kung saan ang sabi ni Sotto, gusto niya marinig yung mga boto para maghalal ng bago to sniff out sino nga ba yung Brutus, yung sumaksak sa kanya sa likod para tanggalin siya bilang Senate President. Sino nga ba sa kasamahan niya ang tumiwalag papunta kay Alan Peter Cayetano?
We cannot hear the votes of the people. Please rise and say your vote.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ulitin mo.
Senate President Sotto.
No.
Pero isa sa mga pinakamasakit na narinig niya, beside Zubiri's abstention kahit na parang loyal follower siya. At least si Zubiri nag-abstain lang kahit hindi siya binoto. Pero si Loren Legarda na a few weeks ago lang ay hindi makumbensing lumipat kung saan nakipag-deal si Sotto na gagawin siyang pinakaunang babae sa kasaysayan bilang Senate President.
Thank you very much, Madam President. Madam President, nice to see you on the. Yes, session resumed already, right, Madam President?
Yes, session is resumed.
Thank you, Madam President. Madam President, I move that we adjourn session until 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Monday, February 9, 2026. I so move, Mr. President. Madam President.
Any objections? I don't see the minority here, only the majority.
This is also in cooperation with the minority.
With the minority,
They know that
yes.
we're going to adjourn early.
No objections heard. Session is adjourned until Monday,
3 o'clock.
February 9,
9.
2026.
Thank you very much, Madam President. Sabi ko, any changes in the leadership, sana ay galing sa aming grupo sa majority.